Can you guys hear me? Yeah, let's get started. So, we had the POC um around like 66,500 and then 66,800 as well, which we just smashed couple of hours ago. And now we are finally approaching the area where I think there is a high chance that we can tag this POC around like 71,100. Also, we have strong eyes here as well. I think since the momentum is so much good since like past 4 days, we are just up only regarding the BTCPA, but we have to keep in mind the level of rejection again, which is like 71,100, plus we have strong highs on daily as well. I think if price comes to test this range, I think this time we might make a new all-time high, but we have to be very much cautious around this level, which is like 71,100. I won't be calling short at like 71,100 since we tapped like once, twice, third time, fourth time, and now fifth time we are going to tap this resistance. Last four times we indeed got rejection. But this time I think, I don't know, but I think this time might be the different, and we might make a new all-time high. Hence why I won't be calling short this time around like 71,100. But I would highly advise you guys, don't open new long positions once you see BTC around like this POC, since you have strong highs around like all time high, right? So just don't open any new fresh position, just book as much profit as you can around this area. And I won't be recommending you guys to just open short, but just keep in mind that this level is very much significant. Also, one thing I want to show you guys is how we have flipped this blue line, which is incredibly bullish. I think this blue line would be the pivot point for the bears and the bulls as well. Until and unless you see 65,800 gets protected, I think very fair chance that you can see price taking out this POC very much soon. The significant the significance of this blue line is that last time once price rejected and get acceptance below this blue line, you seen the sharp sell off to like $49,000. Again, you lost this level, and we had a big sell off till like $53,000. So also here, once you lost this 65,800, you had a sharp sell off till like 56,500. So it's just a big range, and I think this 65,800 is a very big pivot point that we just flipped on 4 hour time frame, which in itself confirm us that there is a good chance that you will be able to see BTC around like 69,239 very soon, maybe in next 48 or 24 hours. But this level will get tapped. I have a strong intuition that this level is going to get tapped. But keep in mind, we got rejected previously here as well. So a double top kind of structure could be formed. Also, we have a POC here. Also, we have strong highs as well. I think here opening a fresh position is okay. Your invalidation should be that 4 hour close below this blue line. Until price is holding this blue line, you can just continue longing shit coins where you see a money rotating to and take majority of profit once you see BTC around like 69,000 400 something or 300 something. All right, this is what I want to share. Also, RSI, if you look at RSI, it's just going to the overbought region, and once BTC is going to tag like 69,300, the RSI will be so much overbought as well. So RSI need to cool off as well. Plus we have strong highs. Plus we have POC. So like a lot of things. But I think it would be good that we make all time high and then we just complete the cycle. So yeah, let's see. Don't do like me shorting again. Don't do like me shorting against the trend. Yeah, you don't need to short against the trend. Let me inform inside my corner that we are live. Now, coming back to, um, I think this Mew can have a good run. I just closed the position since I thought like BTC can fuck me and I don't want to take any L. But I think this coin Mew has a fairly chance that it can make a new all-time high. Also, this is the only coin which is just ranging around the around the previous all-time high. So hence why I think I want to go long again on Mu. Maybe because you can see we have like 15-minute order block forming around here. I think little more consolidation here, and I think we can just go up only. I just fumbled this piece of shit, but I think like let's see what happens. But this 0.008445 is what I am eyeing right now. I took entry very late around this green candle. I should have just pulled the trigger when I saw the price here. If I did, we would have secured like 6% on mu. But I think this is the most favorable alt among like all of the altcoins that have a good potential to scam, since it's running around the price discovery area right now. Let's see. I'm eyeing for a re-entry as well on Mio. Let's see. So till BTC make that move until resistance, we can. Yeah. I think it's very much safe to go long on alts. Only thing you need to make sure is that if 4 hour close below this blue line, like if you see 4 hour closing below 65,900, just get out of your alt long and then time it around like 62,800 something. Once you see here, also we have bullish FEG here as well. So I think losing this blue line will make BTC retest again, which is like 62,800. Until and unless BTC is holding this blue line, I think it's very much safe to go long on alts. Don't worry. Can you please have a look at Mu chart? Yeah, I just discussed Mu. That this is the only coin right now which is just going sideways around the all-time high, and I think more price discovery from here is very much possible. So let's see. Can you see deep USDT? Let's see. Yeah, eat BTC, bro. It's green again, right? Yeah, I think Near had some news earlier as well, if I'm not wrong. When I saw that news, I wanted to go long on Near, but I was like, since BTC is just dancing, so I was like, it's so much safe um to just go long on Mu, but that fucking piece of shit went just sideways and all the other corners made good profit and I was just stuck with fucking Mu. But I will take my fucking revenge very soon. Um yeah. Whiff is trading like a shit. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh damn, 6% move from the lows. And also, one of the thing is that when we make a W kind of a structure, when we make a W kind of a structure, most of the time, just take it as an alpha or something. But those who trade patterns, they usually, they once they see like W is forming, they usually wait for the W retest, which was around this black line. You can see we broke out, we retested once, we did 6%, we did retest again, and then we are up like 6% again. So I think if you see in future that we are making like W kind of a structure, you can just wait for the tip of the W as a retest, and once price retest, you can just go long. With a manual invalidation, is that if price is just losing this black line, you can simply cut yourself as well. uh, yeah, Mew only fucking move when I'm not in. But I will give a re-entry. I will give a re-entry. But I think longing here sounds good. But I think, I don't know. I am just a little bit since my goal for this month was to take like little stop loss as much as possible, and we did like only one stop loss till a month, and I want my tracker to looks good. So I'm just very much reluctant. But from tomorrow, I'm gonna post so much long, just like Tariq. I was thinking about it as well. I will just go so much risk on from tomorrow. Let's see. Reef, yeah, Reef is going to zero. I've been telling this since like 3 weeks. I know that Reef is going to zero, but timing it was when I woke up. We were already trading it like here. If I was here, or maybe like here, I would have shorted with a stops like bearish FEG. I don't know if I was explaining this in previous stream as well, but just open a chart, just open a chart for the alt that have moved so much up, just like Reef, and which you think have pumped like 8x 9x. Right now you can tell me the alt that have made like 8x 9x, just like Reef did. I think the top is very much close for them, which have did like 8x 9x already. And I would just watch the chart every day, and once I see a big candle, big red candle, with a lot of OI wipe out and the bearish FEG, just go short with stop above the bearish FEG. If you are wrong, you are wrong, but if you are right, I think that time is very much soon where you get paid off like 50%, 60%. Like let's say OG, it has already retraced it, but you can see, if I can, yeah. So you see, once the FVG form, after this candle close, you would have went short with stop above the bearish FVG. But keep in mind, this bearish FVG should have come with a supply zone confirmed, just like we saw on a Reef as well. So just keep this in mind. So for this, you would need to use this indicator so you can time your shots. But I don't think so. Shorting here is very much EV, since price is just in consolidation. But watch out. If price goes to retest around like this FVG and you see rejection, just go short with stop above here. Bohm is also losing the green zone. Muza, you are doing challenge like 1K, 10K. I thought about it many times. Since if you do challenge, you get a lot of following and your corner engagement goes up as well. But the thing is, the challenge comes with a lot of stress, you know. So that's why I don't do challenges since it just comes with a lot of stress. What you can do is you can take every call of mine and risk just the same amount, which is like 2%, 3% on every call, and you will see your challenge balances have to go up. Yeah, I can check Sui for Kevin. My goal right now is just to come live to check if there is anything left which we can catch. I just wasted so much. Oh fuck, man, Mew is fucking pumping. I have I have a strong intuition that if price is holding this gray box, this can make a new all-time high. Fuck, man, I fumbled Mew twice. I just can't believe it. Yesterday, if I was in Mew, we would have captured like I think what maybe 15-16% and 14% we already captured on Boom. Oh fuck, man. What is your BTC plan? BTC plan, we discussed that since for we have to watch out for the 4 hour close that is coming in few hours. Until and unless on 4 hour time frame 65,800 is protected, I think high chance that we can see price extension up to like 69,200 and something. But we also discussed that on a daily time frame, um, we have a POC around like 71,100. Also, we have strong highs as well. So if you see any retest around like 69,000 or something, don't open any fresh position. Just and book as much profit as you can since we have strong highs and POC as well. But people were asking that if they can open any odd long. So I responded them that if you see BTC losing this blue line, just close your odd longs. But until and unless this line is protected, you don't have to worry about anything. Sui, yeah. I think, honestly, I think Sui is fucking done as well. It's retesting the previous all-time high. And also what HBJ was discussing a few days ago, that if you see any deviation above the previous all-time high, you can go long. Like let's say price lose 2.085 on lower time frame, like let's say 1 hour. So basically, on a 1 hour, let's say if price goes down, test this FVG and move up and reclaim this line, do this, reclaim this line, retest here, you can go long and you can target like 2.23 for a scalp. Take as much profit as you can on a blue zone and just wait. If price have so much if buyers have so much power, they can make a new all-time high. But I think Sui is fucking done right now. This is my personal opinion. Oh fucking Mew, I fucking knew it. Every time this shit pumps without me. Fuck. Um, I just called like I think whiff call of mine is nearly like 3x, 40 more percent, and it will be the 3x for the group. Oh wow, Mew is fucking going. I am so much ashamed right now I just fumbled like 6%. Easy 6%. I just fumbled. Oof. I think not 48 hours, but if we flip like this little level, then I think high probable that within the daily close you can see another aggressive move to the $69,000 again. You just need to flip this green box. Let's what was the index to see BVOL? So if you ever wanna see that that volatility has reached the peak or not, you can just open the Bitcoin historical volatility index and you can just check this chart to see if the volatility has reached to its peak. I think 3.11 or maybe like 4.04. Once the volatility will reach like 3.32 and 4, I think the volatility would be done and then price will just consolidate and spot will start distributing again. So I'm just watching for this scenario, hence why I opened the BVOL 24 index as well to check if volatility has reached the peak, which I don't think so. um yeah, we have like a little bit room, I would say. Oh fucking Mew. Oh, Tariq just gave Mew. This is assault to an injury. Yeah, you can take his setup. You can take his setup. What do you think about fuck, man? I am so much pissed right now that I'm gonna start calling like how Tariq does every day. I'm just gonna long anything which I see gaining attraction and I'm just gonna close once I see like they are losing the momentum. Let's see from tomorrow. What do you think about MKR? At least Eli closed it in small profit, but I think we can re-enter MKR. Let's see. I should be the one who should have captured this Mew call, man. Fuck. It's so much frustrating. Like you know that price is gonna go up, but you are still reluctant and very much pussy. MKR chart doesn't look so much interesting to me, at least. I think if you can flip like 1501, then I would be interesting. I would be interested if we see like $1,500 flip. But I think this chart is so much dead, and I won't be trading this shitcoin since it has like no volume plus no movement at all. No, I won't be trading this shitcoin. Um, yeah, next time. Next time I'm not gonna fumble. Let's take stop losses. This month, I have noticed that every time I've closed anything, that shit just pumped hard. Bastard, how many? Oh, your name is, is so much unique. Uh, how many corners do you follow? Can I ask you what is your risk management plan? Uh, so I felt so much bad when I just read your name loud. I was like, what the fuck I'm saying? No, no. I'm saying how many corners you are following, not like how much you risk on every trade. What is your risk management plan? So basically, these days I'm risking like 2%. or yeah, around like 2% or a little more like 2.2, 2.3%, since market is good, but usually I risk like 1.1 or 1.2% at most. All right. Let's see what we can go long once we have like 4 hour close. 25% in Eli trades. I think I think I'm doing something wrong if you are risking like 25%. S- Woods and Johnny, spot rates. Oh, for spot rates, yeah, I risk like 4% on a spot rate since stop loss is like 15% away. So I risk like 4%. And oh yeah, I wanted to share something with you guys. I might forgot. So let's see this shit first, and then um, I don't know. But this coin, I am just waiting for price. To flip this level around like 0.513. I think if price is going to flip 0.513 and we see a range breakout, I'm gonna call a spot long for ENA because let's first compare. So for Sui, I don't know if you guys know, but this coin Sui had the like utterly disgraceful would be the small word, but it has like utterly disgraceful emission. Also, one of the worst tokenomics I've ever seen, and it's a VC coin. When it got launched, VC started selling a lot, and it did like 0.35, and still nobody was very much interested. And then suddenly it pulled like 5% or something, 6% something, and then it become dead again, and again it pulled like 2.32. So I think if a coin like Sui can do it, I think it's a piece of cake for ENA to make a new all-time high, maybe, or maybe retest at least 1.5 or something. I would be building a swing long position myself. Like I will be building this swing long position only for myself. But if it flips like 0.513, then I might call it officially as well. I'm thinking to just buy or do a recurring buying for ENA as well, and just fill myself until like 0.2645, and my invalidation would be the new lows. I think if this new low is the lows that just printed like all time lows, then I think sky is the limit. And also, Ina's one of the best trader in the city posted a thesis. Oh fuck! I need to change the screen. Yeah. So if you see the Sui chart and compare both of them, it's making a round bottom. If you can see, it's making a round bottom. It did here as well, but here it's making an inverse head and shoulder, which got played out as well. I'm just waiting for price to flip like 0.51, and then I will officially call a spot swing long for the group, where I would be aiming these highs to get taken at least, which is like 1.03. So maybe a 2x call from here. I would be building a swing long just for myself personally. I want to get filled. till like 0.265, have stop loss below like 0.91, 0.192. But since the stop loss is so much wide, I just can't call officially. But once I get a flip, I will call it officially for the group here as well with like 15% invalidation. Uh, if I don't know if you guys know, but Sui has the worst tokenomics ever after WLD. And if it can pull like 6x, I think ENA has a fair chance that it can do like 5 to 6x as well. Inas, one of the best trader in CT, he also posted the whole thesis where he thinks like this coin is a slow cooker, and I agree with him since they are building like so much into the stable coin as well. And who knows, in the future it can cook like a Luna, maybe, I don't know. But I would be building or and I will keep the exposure to ENA. This is the only coin which I'm gonna keep a spot exposure just for myself after like Tau. I have like Tau as well, and I think the next coin I'm gonna keep my exposure to is ENA. ENA and Tau would be my only spot exposure um, right now, personally, which is good size. So just wanted to share with you guys, and now we are back to finding some coins that we can trade. Whale, how are you? Whale is here. Oh, he went off. Anybody have any chart request for me? Who is the owner of WWG? It's John. Everybody know. Baby Dodge and hamster. Yeah, I can. Let's check Baby Dodge. Daily doesn't look so much good, in my opinion. No, no, no. This Mu chart is like something else. We have like price is breaking out of the OB, plus we have 15-minute FEG as well. This will surely make a new all-time high. Baby Dodge. No, no, no. This coin doesn't look so much interested to me, since here you can see it's just ranging. I want something that is trending, like Mio, that is trending, something like good. Also, the 50 RSI haven't been flipped yet as well. I would at least wait for RSI to flip the 50 level before I get interested. Somebody asked me to check what is this hamster coin, but I am sure we will find something. Am I writing? It's a fucking dead coin. I won't be interested in this as well. At least let's wait for the 4 hour close and let's see how RSI go from here. But I will find something in this stream. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, check Mew. Please, please don't write Mew in the chat section. I will just cry. Can you check BNX? Yes, I can. Let's see. BNX is such a shit coin. I won't be surprised if we see a god candle from BNX, and it's a perfect time for BNX to just go up. I saw, so basically AGLD, BNX, Storage, and these are like some shit coins that always get a money rotation one by one. And also the key, I saw key was pumping yesterday as well. but chart looks dead as of now. As of now, it's dead. I think last stream we discussed how we are ranging on BNX, and it just flipped. It lost the green OB, which was the trigger to go short. And if we see deviation, we would have gone long, but I think we didn't made the deviation again. But I think if market goes good, I know that BNX always get the money rotation. Also, we made this green box and we discuss about the BTC for those who joined. That if price flip this green box, I think this 71,000 or at least like 69,300, which is the 4 hour level which we marked before, could be reached once we flip. But since we are rejecting, I think price can retest this blue line again. And if price retest this blue line again, I'm sure I'm gonna give a long to the group and then we will fucking eat. But I'm so much motivated now. From tomorrow I'm gonna post so much ideas. Whatever I think would cook, I will just press the buttons. No time to be pussy anymore. What about Tia? Let's check Tia. Oh yeah, Tia. I think I don't know, but if we are lucky, if we are lucky, I want to add so much TIA around like 4.8. I was talking with somebody as well, just like a day before yesterday, and I was telling her that I'm gonna buy so much TIA. If I see again like 4.8, I will tell you why. You can see every time, since it's a ranging PA, every time we buy like 4.5, or let's take this order block. Let's say went you bought spot around like $5, right? If you have bought around here, you made like 22%, you made like 34%, and here you made like 30%. And if you are lucky, if we see a retest around like $5 again, I think it's one of the coin that will give you like 30% or 40% once market becomes trending again. And considering that we have like November and December, which is like good months for alts, I think it's very likely that we see Tia to finally leave the station and just do like couple of X from here. So I am planning to buy. So here, this is what I told about the WIF as well for the people who join my stream regularly. We discussed that once BTC give relief, WIF is the coin that you need exposure because it moves very violently and to the upside once BTC give relief. You can see we secured like I think 150% something on WIF, and I'm planning to do same thing with ENA and TIA as well. So these are the two coins that I'm interested so much. But the problem is that for TIA we have a strong highs, I think. Yeah, around like 12.3. So I think if we get a retest around like $5, we can just buy a spot. And I think this range is going to get broken out very soon. Not soon, but maybe like one day this range is going to get broke out. And I think it's fairly chance that at least TR can reach like 11.7. So that's an easy 2x in front of us. And this is what I'm eyeing right now to catch. Let's see. Ha, 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 ha. What are you thinking of ARB? Look bottom with lot of room to go up. ARB is such a shit coin. I was the advocate of ARB in 2023 before even I got the talents. I thought like ARB would perform so much good, but it was the most underperformed coin of this cycle. I think the technology is superb, but I think the team is not doing so much effort to push the price up. It's just my opinion. I would prefer OP always now against ARP, you know. It's a lagging, it's one of the coin that lags a lot. Someone asked me about MKR. Yeah, we discussed about MKR, and I told you guys that I am not interested in MKR since it has like the blue box, which is the resistance, and until it doesn't flip like $1,500, I'm not interested in MKR. Pole is good. Yeah, pole is good. Let's check pole. I think most of you guys should make a spot swing. Most of you guys should make spot swings on TIA, on ENA, you know. This is what is going to make you most money, I think. Not leverage. Leverage is not going to make you enough money. If you want to grow your portfolio, I always say that the spot is the way. Uh, right now it's. I think let's wait for Paul to make like new all-time low, and then we can think about it. But right now it's in downtrend. You can see we are constantly making lower lows, but price is just ranging. I think at least give me like 0.389 flip, because we have inefficiency here, we have inefficiency here. I think if price can flip like 0.39, I think it's fairly likely that we can go long and target like 42 cents. Did you discuss FTM? No, I didn't discuss FTM. I want to open my terminal to check what coins right now are trending, so we can find something finally to trade. Can you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Deep USDT first. Let's check deep USDT first. Which exchange? Is it on Bybit? It's a new listing. I don't know about the fundamentals. I can't check anything right now because I don't have much data right now. But we have already made like two supply zones on 15-minute time frame, and I think this level should be protected. Since we have like, if you see, we have a flat 15-minute open as well. So price should, but it did. I think price should retrace to that flat open around like 0.0252. If price lose this green box, then I don't think so much upside is possible. Since we are making like supply zone on 15-minute time frame continuously. Also, RSI is not flipping the 50 level yet. If price comes to like 2535, somewhere around here, you can go long with stops like below this wick. But keep in mind, if it lose this green box, I don't have any hopes for the upside. This green box should be the key for the upside. I don't know about the fundamentals or what is this shit coin. But yeah, let's see. Oh wow, FTM. I think HBJ called FTM, right? He must be printing. I think FTM should tag like 0.8235 at least, or maybe more. FTM is very much bullish. Yeah, I would target like 0.8431. If I see 4 hour close above this blue line, I think it would be very much probable that you will see FTM tagging this blue line around like 8431. Let's see. Fuck man, I would have outperformed FTM as well if I just kept that new long. Fuck. It looks like is making a support from the last highs. From the last highs? Oh yeah, this one? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. You can see why, since we have a order block here, and since price tested this order block and pumped once and then retested this order block and pumped twice. Since this green box is very much important, since we have like bounced twice from this level, maybe bounce again, but this is the critical support. If price lose this box, just expect price to trade around these previous highs. Uh, uh, uh. Everybody is printing except me. We need to change it. How I can understand? You can just look at the chart. You see this green candle and then red candle. We have formed the demand here. If you don't know what is demand, just watch the Woods video on YouTube. We just form an order block here. And I told you that we have bounced from here once and then retested this box again and bounced twice as well. So if price lose this green box, I think that we are going to test these highs. You can go long around like 0.0254 with stops like below this wick. If you get stopped out, just keep in mind that price can trade around this highs again. So just watch and see how price develop from here. Yeah, I know Tariq called me. Are you bullish on ETH or you still think it's gonna be a shit coin? No, I don't. I'm not. You won't see me trading ETH ever because I don't know. I just don't like trading ETH because it moves slow. Plus, it's a big shit coin. I would rather be risking on something like Mu. Maybe it's a shit coin, but the structure looks so much better since price is trading near the all-time high and keep making all-time high. Volatility is very good. ETH is just a shit coin. Even if it goes to $4,000, I won't be trading this shit coin ever until and unless I have like no read on the market regarding alts, then you would see me trading ETH, but I don't like trading this shitcoin. Last time I charted ETH, I had a limit order around like 2310, which was the fucking bottom. I think Dell got it. He had the same trade as well. I canceled my limit, it failed, and we had the pump. This is what my memory is regarding ETH. Mu. But I think someone who have like so much liquidity, like let's say 1,800,000 dollars, $500,000. I think they should be the one who are buying ETH as a spot. I think it's at the very good price right now. I think people who have a very much liquid portfolio should be the one who is trading ETH. Just buy spot here and sell at these highs at least. And maybe if you're lucky, you can get to sell at these highs as well. So you can easily book like 2x. You can turn your $500,000 into 1 million easily within a year, maybe. If I was them, I would do this easily. Yeah, I said now I understand because you explained, but thanks for explaining again. Yeah, we can check Mavia and we can check Popcat, and then we are going to see what are the good coins that we can trade on. Popcat is at resistance. I think last time we discussed two scenarios regarding Popcat. I gave like two setups for the Popcat. We did somebody's calling me. Give me a moment. So, for Popcat, we were like here. When I discussed two setups regarding Popcat, I told everybody that this green box is going to be a pivot for the Popcat. We indeed retested this green box. We made a new all-time high as well. Again, I think if it retests this green box, then you can go long, which stops below FVG. And the second setup is to go long either on this black line, which is like 1.0634, where I think Woods also plays limit order again and again, I think. So he is interested, and I'm also interested as well, either on the green box, or I would be interested in the black line, whichever, give a positive reaction. But since we have FEG here as well, I think it's going to support the price from touching this black line. But two levels you should keep in mind is 1.175 and then 1.07. These are the two levels where you have to check the price reaction and then make a decision if you wanna go long on Popcat or not. Um, yeah, it has. You can see how we have supply zone above here. If we eventually flip like 1.464, I would call for the group immediately. But until and unless price is under this blue box, I won't be doing this mistake to go long on Popcat. Yeah, let's check now. Finally, what altcoins we can long. So storage, Tariq already did. Metis, let's check Metis. Turbo, CAT, 1000 CAT, AGLD, JTO, ARC. Wow, wow, this shitcoin finally pumping. Maneki. So basically, Metis, I might see. Turbo, no. 1000 CAT. Beam, yeah. Beam and Metis. Let's check. Yeah, I'm checking Mavi as well. Mavia is getting rejected. Um, since we have strong highs and from supply zone as well, but we have FEG currently right now. I think you should wait for the range flip around like 1.89. If Mavia can flip this range, I think then you should go long and then target this blue box, which is all the inefficiency that will get filled. I think you can easily catch 38% if you just be patient and wait for price to flip this blue box and clear those strong highs. Until we have strong highs, basically when we have strong highs, it just indicates that price is just gonna keep ranging until they get taken out. Just like we have strong highs on daily time frame, and since we have strong highs from like I think 1 month, 2 month, 3 months something, price is just keeping ranging since like couple of months. So strong highs is usually the indication that price has now been kept And since it has been kept, it's just gonna range, and you can't expect the breakout until and unless the strong highs get taken out with a good volume. So let's see. But I won't be longing Mavia at all until and unless I don't get the flip. So we were about to see this shitcoin. Look, we don't have strong highs. We have a solid daily candle as well, and it's keep ranging right now. It's keep trending right now as well. On 1 hour time frame, I think we have some room as well, which is like 9%. On 5 minute, we had the bear divergence, but yeah, this is the shitcoin that I can go long. Oh, but on 4 hour, we are already making strong highs. I totally missed it. When 4 hour was flipping this line, fuck. But I will keep an eye on this shitcoin. If I see a retest, I will call. Definitely one of the coin that I will. I just want FVG here as well. And if I see FVG here, we are entering on market, which stops like below here. Yeah, let's see. Muzza, what is happening with ICP? I know it's shitcoin, but still, it has 4 billion market cap. It's not a shitcoin, it's a good coin with a good fundamental. It's just the team is very much shit that keeps selling on the buyers. But I will check ICP for you as well. Just give me a few minutes so I can check which coin to go long. Yeah, BMX. I've been talking about this coin, and I am seeing every day I am seeing this coin on the terminal every day. And now finally it's moving. Every day I have seen this coin, and it has flipped. Wow, it has flipped also. I would have outperformed FTM. I would have outperformed anything. I just don't know what to do. Yes, we can go long on beam. So beam and just want 4 hour close above this, and we are in. I think we can capture like 10% or maybe 15% move if we are lucky and BTC doesn't rug. Let's see. So this is how I shortlist coin. You join Tariq setup for Mu. No, I'm not longing Mu. I am not longing Mu. I'm waiting for Mu to come and retest around like 0.86. Then I'm gonna go long on Mu. So this is how usually every day I find coins, and I'm sure Tariq does this thing as well. Um, Currently, Spot is leading, which is good, but Future is shorting right now. And then for Metis, oh wow, Metis is such a beautiful chart. I want to take entry on Metis. Thoughts on SEI? Yeah, just give me a few minutes. I'm trying to find a setup for us. So we had the hourly close right now. Let's see. Yeah, we have double FVG as well. Oh wow, we have like two back-to-back bearish FVG, bearish divergence, sorry, on beam. Ah, right. Setting my alert here. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. SEI, let's check SEI. I think EXO is pushing SEI since he bought spot around like 0.24 something. Yeah, it's currently on a range. I won't mind if price um range and retest around like 0.404. I would take it any day. But SEI, I am not interested as much right now. My levels for SEI is 0.37 and then 0.337. I might give a limit order around like 0.3464 and then DC around like these two levels 337 and 335 and then have stops like below this wick. That's what I'm planning for SEI because you can see we have a solid resistance here, which I don't think so. SEI have so much potential right now to take out these resistance. So I think it's just going to keep ranging, and if I see around like 3464, I would be the buyer for sure. Wow, Metis is going, Beam is going. It's so much risky right now on Metis, but uh, huh, huh, huh. Moodang, Woo, Mog, APT. Let's see. Something that should appeal my eyes, and we just go long. Nothing. APT, yeah, APT. Let's check APT. Yeah, APT I think can fucking pump so much. Let's take position on APT. How the fuck I missed this? Yes, APT is the coin where we can take position honestly. We have a big let me check the POCs again just to confirm. 9.6187. Um yeah, APT is the coin I was searching for. It will be a slow mover, but we don't have any POCs on any time frame just above us. Also, we have, yeah, this is the coin I'm gonna go long definitely. Let's see the lower time frame at least. Let's just wait for this 10.38, and once I see the retest, I'm gonna call APT. The reason is because we don't have any POC above till like 12.235, and we have strong lows here as well. So we just go long around like 10.4, have like stop loss below the strong lows, which should be the tight, like 9.855. And if we get a pump, we can surely book some good profit. Let's see. What happened to Mew? Oh wow, what the fuck? Mew is such a shit coin. Mew is such a shit coin, man. This is what I am fucking afraid always. These coins, I think market is rugging overall. No? Yeah, total 3 is rugging right now, total 2 as well. It's not Mew, I think everything is rugging. So, plan so far is to sit on hands, watch total 3 to retest this green zone. We go long on APT once we see this green box retest, and then we go long again on this shitcoin as well, and we keep an eye on Metis as well. And I'm sure from tomorrow I'm gonna just call so much just like Tariq does. Everything I see, everything I see getting so much volume. Uh, Everything I see have so much volume and gaining traction on 30 minute on coin glass. Here we are going to go long. Only the number one coin is what we are going to go long, and then see what happens. Bastard is typing something. When 1 to 1, yeah, 1 to 1. I'm gonna. When are you free? Where are you from, bastard? What's your time zone and when are you free? Tell me and then we can arrange something. But it should be. Oh, Italy. Oh, weekends. Let's do it on Sunday. I will tell you the time um on Sunday. Anybody who wants one-on-one with me, just tell me and I will be available and I will teach you everything that I know. I will just tell you that I was like nobody. Um, I started with the chart idea just like you, and now I have a corner, and you can see my tracker for every month as well. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Just you need to just what you need is the edge. Literally, what you need is the edge. You just need to go. All right. Let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. You need to exercise this, okay? You need to exercise this. You need, yeah, and keep showing up. Yeah, that's true. You need to do this. So, first go to the coin glass, search the 24, and then whatever you see, at least top 9, you will see one of the coin is the coin where Tariq must have given long. I think Mew he called, Storage he called, other coins he might call as well. Only thing you need to do is literally go to the 30-minute time frame, check the coins that has been showing here. Just don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just keep watching the coins here and then check what coins Tariq is calling. That's it. Just check what coin Tariq is calling, what coin HBJ is calling. All of us that we have corner, we trade these coins that is being showing here. That's it. Now what you need to do is you need to check whether the price is flipping the range, just like I did with the APT. You can see I check where the POCs are and either it has flipped the range or not. You just have to do this. That's it. Oh, the 2P, don't ever write this book of Ethereum again in front of me. I will just fucking cry. When I see this sticker, I just cry. Okay, okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. I just cry. Why the fuck I didn't bought this coin? I am just so much sad. Literally, this coin was the one which could have fucking retired me. What the fuck? I was waiting for this retest. What the fuck? 2P? How much grands did you make from this coin? What the fuck? My I am speechless. I have no words. Literally I have no words. Can you give me 30x again, please? Wow. Literally wow. If I see on a daily time frame, it's just fucking up only. When it flipped this area around like 0.2921, it was a buy as well. Again, it gave an entry here, and I think it gave the entry on this breakout as well. Two times I could have entered, but I was fucking busy on the leverage. I'm starting my career on D General again, I think. All right, guys. Have a good day. And I think I'm gonna go long on APT once I think market settles down a little bit, because I think APT is the coin which we should focus. and one on one for the bastard this week, and then I will give one on one to this Mere Meroin, or I don't know what how to pronounce your name, but just DM me and we can sort out. IBA trader just oh yeah, IBA trader, yeah. I will DM you as well. Yeah, I will DM you as well. Have a good day, guys.